Is your business required to follow cash or accrual accounting? Let's find out. Fortunately for you, the IRS has publication 538, which I'm sitting on top of, which goes over the rules that you need to read through to determine what type of accounting method you must follow for your business. So it's not up to you. It's based on what type of business you have and what you're allowed to use. So if we look at cash basis, which is listed on page 8, I'm going to go there now. It says most individuals and many small businesses use the cash method of accounting. Generally, if you produce, purchase, or sell merchandise, you must keep an inventory and use an accrual method for sales and purchases of merchandise. So, in general, if you have inventory, you need to use the accrual method. There are exceptions to that rule, and I'll create another video on accrual method accounting. But for those of you that get to use the cash method, you're in luck because cash is king and it's so much easier to do because it follows a simple set of rules, which is when cash comes into the bank and it's related to a customer sale, you book that as revenue on the date it comes in. And when cash goes out of your bank for expenses, you book those expenses as expenses on the date that they go out of your bank. So you just follow the money and the dates stay the same as when the cash comes in or the cash goes out. With accrual, there's a timing difference, so the dates aren't always when we record revenue, which is why it gets a little bit more complicated. And again, I'll cover that in another video. But for now, if you're one of the fortunate ones that gets to follow cash basis accounting, go ahead and start booking your revenue on the date it's received and booking your expenses on the date they're paid. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you like the content that I'm covering.